I've been a part of 2 U.S. Opens before, volunteer, but I never thought I'd be in this seat to be hosting a U.S. Open championship, and it's exciting. We've started last year on a restoration of the West Course, and we're going to be starting again this fall and doing all that work. Not that we're doing that for the Open, but it's part of the lead up.
We redid all greens loops as priorities with 750s and 751s. Tees, we put new 550s.
Knowing we had the Rainbird support behind all our products, we felt confident in putting Rainbird back into a green we just rebuilt and sticking with Rainbird.
We were thinking ahead on some of the greens that we put the 2-wire in there so that if down the road we do want to go the IC system, it's there. It just makes it nice when you can upgrade because there's always upgrades coming out. I mean, anytime you're happy with the product, the company that you're dealing with, and you have an easy transition to upgrade and don't have to overhaul everything, it's so nice.
We've integrated touchscreen, building programs through the touchscreen and the map. It's a game changer. We're getting away from the wholesale watering. It's having multiple programs and hundreds of programs for every given scenario we have out there on a given daily basis.
MI we just started using last year, and now, I mean, we're full bore on MI. We all have iPads, try not to use the satellites anymore. We use MI daily basis for multiple different reasons, whether it's watering, creating programs, checking on heads. It's been great. The real-time communication saves us a lot of time and allows us to be at different areas of the golf course while being reassured that the water is being applied properly.
You really learn how little you can put out and still get playing conditions. It's amazing. I've learned more in water since I've been here working with the Rainbird system and learning this property than I did in the first 20 years of my career.